Good morning, guys. Just a little announcement. I'm pretty proud. I just hit 1 million views yesterday, I guess it was, just a little bit over. So I'm pretty proud of that myself, if I do say so myself. I know that's just a drop in a bucket to a lot of channels out there. They can do that in a week, but for me that was quite an accomplishment. So kind of gives you a little bit of inspiration to keep going when that happens. So yeah, I guess that's just about it. Just a little bitty update I wanted to let you guys know. And I really appreciate all my subscribers and my viewers and followers and all that. So let's just make this new year a better one than last year. Thanks. See you later.